What's going on, guys? The time has come. It is 5 p.m. and the doors are open. We've already got a pretty sweet lineup of Fords here, along with a couple other makes and models sprinkled in. People are trickling in. I'm gonna go start mingling.
For those that you don't know, I'm Tara. I do work with Friends of Ford. This whole event was put on by Friends of Ford, by Ford. So thank you all for coming out. This is their opportunity to connect back and provide back to the consumers. So I want to thank everyone for coming out, and especially the SDHQ crew here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Serena, you're effing amazing. Kids are here. And I would also just really quickly, I'm a part of a nonprofit called Horsepower for Heroes. It brings out veterans, first responders, and active duty and connects them to the thrill of motorsports. We're partnered with a facility down in Texas, and I just launched the new website today after a rebrand. So if you would like to go check us out and donate, I'd really appreciate it. And again, thank you all so much, and hope you guys had a great time.
Appreciate you all coming out in the shop tour. Over at Cocotrechs, Friends with Ford. Everybody have fun? Yeah. Awesome. We appreciate it, guys. Thank you.